5 kasi tayo eh. 5. Hamburger!
May isa pong hamburger po, ma'am. Wow.
Baby. Be careful, baby.
Wow. Wow.
We're the same. Yeah. Same burger. Okay, picture. 1, 2, 3. Oh, with you, Ate Naya na to. Kaya the picture. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Yummy. Arigato.
Kindly spread the butter on top, ma'am, sir, for additional flavoring.
Thank
Then
you.
for our steak sauce po, we have salty and sweet. We also have wasabi, mustard, garlic paste, and pepper.
Thank you, honey. Yung order ni Lucy.
I thank you po. Thank you.
Tadaikimasu. Gomenasai. Kuya nalaglag.
Be careful, there's a knife with that knife.
Meron.
No.
Ay, wala. Wait, I will ask baby. Kuya, arigato gozaimasu. My friend, arigato my friend. That's it. Arigato. Yumika-chan. Kumakain ba?
Too hot, no?
Hmm?
Okay.
Ang sarap.
Bro.
Saan yung sweet dyan, babe? Ah, ganda. So yummy.
Bro.
Yummy pala niya. Kahit wala siyang sauce din. Masarap siya, no?
Kami?
My baby said it's yummy. Medium rare siya. Medium rare. I tried to eat some corn. I haven't.
Gampang, mas marambot po.
Careful. Ang dahil ano?
Kahit ito ang okay.
Rice. Careful, anak. Still hot? Baka mainit pa, kaya nila makakaon. Yan din yung order niya last time eh. Nagustuhan niya. Nagustuhan niya. Yan. Sarap na sarap ang bibig ko.
Don't touch, Tia. Don't touch.
Careful.
Mainit talaga, no?
Careful, ano?
Not like na.
Hey. Kamusta?